put these headers up. I kind of mocked them up. And they look like they go up pretty easy. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but I tell you, they fit a lot better than I thought they would. But you saw the pictures. Thing about headers are you just gotta be patient. Don't get rushing. Don't get worked up about it. And leave them loose until you get them done. It's crazy how they go around this linkage. And this one's dented for the steering box a little bit. And then the thing about cast iron heads, you don't gotta worry about stripping them so much. They're gonna thread in or they don't. So leave them loose to fit. That's two. Yeah, this is when it'd be nice to have a lift. Now this one's got to come in from the front, I think. So let's move it back. And that goes through this hole, I think. Whoa. Yeah. I can see this oil pan's going to be an issue. Man, that's nice. Yep, I can tell already. I can see it. Not going to happen with that thing. It's go on that side, it's close. But it ain't gonna fit. Not with that oil pan here. Something about this oil pan, it sticks out about this far with that big kick out. The Morosos come straight down from the factory type style. There ain't no way that's going on. But you can kind of see how it should be. Here, let me see. This will go into this little groove right through this little tunnel. Fit right through there and slide in. Right, no way in God's green earth that's going to fit with a pan, because this one has to go flush more. So, well, there's that. Let's see about the other side. I sure like them, though. They fit damn nice compared to what I thought. You don't have to undo the stern linkage, at least on this side. The 62 tons you need to. Let's reconfigure. Alright, so look at this. It looks like 4, so I think 3 has to go on first because they got to go back there. And they fit in front of the linkage. I don't know who the hell ever figured these out, man. But it's freaking crazy. It's easy to get the damn bolts in. Eric, I don't know how you did this, but picked out a good set of headers. So that's 3. It's got to go this way. Okay, there we go. Yeah, when I put them up on the engine to get close, I could tell that I had a culvert. There ain't no way they were right. Looking at it like this. What a difference to have them all separate pipes. Okay. Holy crap, man, they fit good. Let's see. Bring it down where you can see. Alright, now the next one should be going up in the front. Too. Camera's in the way. I suspect this is going to be the same way as the other side. This oil pan. The other one bolted on, but it's still, in order for it to be tight, it's going to be right there, right into that pan. It's only off by a tiny bit compared to the other side. Let's see if this one's like. Again, it has to go in that hole. Nice. Getting hard to get to this bolt. But I don't care, I can get to it. We're not gonna go worry about getting it bolted in. Probably have to get it from above, but it fits. I didn't think it would when I initially put it up there. Sometimes when you stop stuff and go back and finagle, kind of get things to work. Let's see if we get the collector out. There we go. You got me. Nice. Oh, I can get them on. I'm not going to worry about it now. They got to be a little bit looser. The main thing is it's on there. So here's what they look like. You can see them, man, they fit good. Considering it's amazing whoever figured that out. And then this one here, you can see the gap right here. And that's because that one has a gap too, the second one, because it's hitting right here. Could probably beat that pan in and get it to fit, but I don't want to butcher it. Mike said he can bend a tube to fit this or whatever. We couldn't cross that bridge when we get there. At least I know what I got to do. Well, there you go. They fit pretty good. I don't know who figured these headers out, but man, they did a damn good job on it. They actually fit pretty easy. You saw me put them up there. It's not that bad for the first time figuring out what pipe goes where. That right side clears good, it's the left side. I'll show you a picture or a little video with it, with the pipe up there, and you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Right there, you can kind of get a better idea. But anyway you look at it, they look good.